Matthew's classmate. He looks kind of funny because he danced Michael Jackson, he splits, he says funny stuff. Good luck, Matthew. Be good for him. Matthew, what's this? Have fun!
Si Matthew naman, typical thinker, creative din, sensitive siya sa things niya kasi very well organized siya. So pag meron siyang mga parang disorganized na nakikita, kinukall yung attention ng classmates, so kami ginagawa siya kaagad.
Matt is very funny, very witty talaga siya. He's really an entertainer. Talagang gusto niya talaga lagi is mapasaya lahat ng tao. Yun talaga yung lagi niyang gusto, masaya lahat. I had Matt nung 20 years old pa lang ako. Right after college, siya na. So talagang nabago yung buhay namin. I thought hindi ko kaya, but as a child, si baby pa lang, wala kaming problema. Hindi siya yung never yan na nag-whine, nag-tantrums. Kaya madali para sa akin yung maging mommy niya. Ang kakaiba talaga sa kanya is yung pagiging entertainer niya, yung pagiging funny niya talaga. Yun yung, I think, wala talaga sa iba. And yung as being a leader, talagang kaya niya dalhin yung buong crowd. Nagsa-stand out talaga siya sa crowd. Pag dumating na siya, buhay na yung part. So, he loves playing, he loves sports. Nagsa-soccer siya and taekwondo. Pag nasa loob naman siya ng bahay, drawing and watching TV. Matt, enjoy ka lang para this is something you really wanted to do ever since. So, have fun. Tsaka always keep yourself maging down to earth.